Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OGEN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times before. That is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But want to get things updated after today's very nice movement. First, going to do is some house cleaning and just go ahead and get rid of these lines up here. Yes, those lines still pertain, but it's really just a question of, can the price stay up above this level right now? So again, yes, those levels pertain, but I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because, there's lines everywhere. So from the presentation point of view, I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. But like I said, near term wise, everything pertains. Can the price stay up above this level now at 62, which just circles back to a foundational rule in charting stating when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. Now, with all that being said, don't get me wrong. It's not like if the price drops below 62, then that implies everything is epically destroyed or anything like that. Yeah, if the price could stay above 62 cents, that would be great. But taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 62 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. And really, that's also why I'm not even going to talk about levels of resistance, because honestly, resistance levels don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters the most is what this price has already been doing, and that is here. Ever since it came back to life, and then you start to look at where these lows have been, and they keep getting higher and higher, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as these stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction as time plays out, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations and focus on building those higher bases, and just sit back and let the trend continue to do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.